everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share 3 ginger jar DIY projects. They're really inexpensive and really simple that you can do in your home. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I'm going to start by using an old chopping board and I want to give it a pretty makeover. I went to Google and I printed out this template of a ginger jar, and I had some old wallpaper that I had left over from a previous project, and I'm going to show you 3 ways I use this wallpaper using this template of a ginger jar. So the first thing I did was I cut out the wallpaper. Now it is a little creased here guys, but the best part about this wallpaper, it's peel and stick. And all these little creases will come out once I place it on the project. So I placed the ginger jar at the top of the cutting board and to the centre. Now what I decided as well, that I wanted to do a little rim, like a ribbon at the bottom. So what I'm doing here is I'm just measuring it up to size and then cutting it. Now again, these creases in this wallpaper will smooth out guys once it's on the project. This is what I love about using peel and stick wallpaper anywhere. It can crease, it can be removed, it can be put back down, it can be taken to different rooms. I really love this wallpaper, and this particular one is from Etsy. Now to finish off the project, I had this dollar store bow, which I'm just going to tie to the top of the cutting board. And here is project number 1 complete. I'm so happy with how it came guys. Just by taking a few simple ideas, I was able to jazz up this cutting board to a really pretty piece of decor. So now we're moving on to project number 2. I was recently in Kmart guys, and they had these beautiful rustic frames on clearance. Now I actually ended up getting the 8x10 size, and what I'm going to do is use the 3 same things we used in the first project to create something really pretty. Now I actually lost the footage of me putting this together, but what I did is I took the back of the picture frame, covered it in the wallpaper. I then got that ginger jar template and I glued it onto the middle of the wallpaper. Then I took some really pretty blue ribbon and I tied it in a bow and glued it to the top.
So your tears been running like a waterfall. Thought the stars would never let you down. And you keep on thinking you can save yourself. But that's love, that's just love. You should know.
So my final project, guys, starts with this really pretty wreath. I had this wreath from Christmas last year. It was actually red, but I spray painted it this beautiful baby blue. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out again from the wallpaper the template of the ginger jar. Now I'm also going to add one of those cute little dollar store bows. Now rather than stick this ginger jar to a piece of cardboard, I chose not to take the backing off, guys, and I'm going to just take a double-sided piece of tape to put it in front of the wreath on the right hand side. Now what I'm doing here is I've took a really pretty piece of blue ribbon and I'm going to create a hanger and a pretty bow.
Makes it better. You should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to love, comes to love. 'Cause you know sometimes it hurts and you end up getting burned. But sometimes it can be beautiful. That's just love. That's just love. You get back up again even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
So guys, leave me a comment down below which was your favourite ginger jar DIY. Here are 3 DIY projects that anyone could do this weekend just by shopping your own home, using some old wallpaper or contact paper that you have in storage, and just jazzing up your existing home decor.
Even if you don't know when. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel. Share the video as many times as you can. And I'd love most of all, guys, if you would hit that subscribe button so you can become a part of Chelle's Glam Home family.
But that's love. That's just love. You should know some things will hurt and you'll end up getting burned. I just hope that you will learn. That's just love. That's just love. You will get back up again even if you don't know when. And it feels like the world is coming down on you. You have to move on. Deal with your broken heart. No matter what you think, you'll never ever get enough of love.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Nothing makes it better. You should try to remember that's just how it is when it comes to